Scammers are hijacking Galaxy phones with fake One UI 8 beta links. Fraudsters are tricking Samsung users into clicking fake beta registration links that remotely lock their Galaxy devices. Many unaware users are unknowingly giving away access, leaving their phones hijacked and data at risk. This confusion partly stems from user misunderstanding and Samsung's limited clarity. The One UI beta program is officially open in 6 countries only, but misleading beta posts are spreading across multiple regions. While tech-savvy Samsung fans know about this limited rollout, a huge number of unaware users are being targeted as scammers capture Samsung accounts using deep links, credit, to earn VATs. Shockingly, SmartThings autofill exposes credentials via a single Agree button. Without proper checks like fingerprint, OTP, or Face ID, scammers can gain full account access and remotely lock devices. Once your account is breached, the attacker can disable your phone, forcing a complete data wipe to restore it, meaning you lose everything not automatically backed up. Reports claim scammers are currently most active in Vietnam and Romania. Samsung should immediately raise awareness through official channels and remind users where the beta is truly available. For 2025, the One UI 8 beta program is only open in Germany, India, Poland, South Korea, the UK, the US. It's limited to the Galaxy S25 series with availability varying by carrier, device, and region. Always remember, Samsung Members is the only official beta registration source. No other site or link exists. If you spot these scams, don't click, and warn others to stay safe. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. We got some fresh news for Galaxy users. Samsung has officially rolled out the second beta of One UI 8 for the Galaxy S23 series. Let's break down what's new in this update. So earlier this month, Samsung opened up the One UI 8 beta program for the Galaxy S23 lineup, and now Beta 2 is here. But for now, it's only rolling out in South Korea. The new firmware comes with version number S91X indicates SU6ZY5. Now, what's changed? According to the official changelog, this update mainly focuses on bug fixes. Here's what got patched up. First, Samsung fixed the reset issue that was happening while using the phone. Second, they fixed a DeX issue where settings wouldn't carry over after updating to One UI 8. And third, the Galaxy Watch 7's clock weather app now updates in real time like it's supposed to. If you're part of the beta program and want to grab this update, just head over to Settings, Software Update. Download and install on your Galaxy S23. So far, nothing huge in terms of features, but it looks like Samsung is ironing out the rough edges before the official release. What do you guys think? Are you running the One UI 8 beta on your device right now, or are you waiting for the stable release? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Samsung updates.